Hello, everyone. Welcome again to a continuation of our lesson on JavaScript statements. We've talked about JavaScript statement in the previous lesson, what JavaScript statements are, what a computer program is, the way JavaScript executes code from top to bottom approach, and what makes an expression, and a whole lot of other things like that. So in this lesson, I just want to pull up my editor and show us how JavaScript respects or treated white space. White space is just gap that you leave in your code. So let me pull up my editor and let's just take a look at it together. So here I have this code. Now let me now add multiple space and see whether we'll see that space in my browser. Can you see that my code still stay the same, even though this expression is replaced by the name of the country, which is London. So it obviously means that what JavaScript is giving me is still the same value that I have. Now I will return this back and then I'm going to do the same thing on the first header. So if we have a lot of space here, if I put space, is my text going to be scattered? Is my H2 going to be scattered? Of course not. You can see that JavaScript treated white space as a single space. So it doesn't add extra space to your code. It doesn't add extra space to your expression. It doesn't add extra space to your statement. As long as your statement is valid, as long as your element is valid or whatever it is that you are trying to do. So this white space is not something that JavaScript does not understand. So let's not make a valid JavaScript and do something like London is a city. Now you can see this in England. Yeah, I want to use this. Now let me add a lot of space and let us see. Do not forget that what I first did is white space in HTML, if because H2 is an HTML element and not JavaScript. But even though it's an H2, the browser still understands white space in HTML and it treated it as a single space and not multiple one. And I just gave an example again in JavaScript. You can see this is let, which means this is a JavaScript expression. And I added a lot of spaces to London is a city in England just to see how JavaScript treats white space. And you can see that from this, it's obviously certain, and we have all seen it that JavaScript understands white space and it doesn't give or add multiple spaces. Instead, it treated white space as just a single space to make your code elegant and beautiful. So I'll see you in the next one as we continue our lessons. Thank you. And don't forget, if you are not clear with anything, to ask questions in the comment section. Thank you.